Hi friends! Now I will show you how to quickly and most importantly correctly create a button in Figma. Select the text tool and click on the area outside the screen. Write the text. In my case, it's just a button. Next, I will do some manipulations that would make our button look more or less adequate. I won't try hard on its beauty. I think you already know how to make the button better. I customize the font, text size, indents between letters. Next, select our text and press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+G click on the plus sign next to Auto Layout. The text should be given space, so we create small indents on all sides. Let's round the corners of our button. This is done here, if anyone didn't know. To see the work done, let's set the color of our button. I will not choose for a long time. I'm here to show you the principle of creating a button. Let's rename our frame. Let's select it and convert it into a component. Next, in front of Properties, click on the plus sign and select Variant. Now under our button, we create its duplicate, and this second version we will use for the mouse over effect. For our convenience, let's rename them. The second version will be called Hover, and we'll leave the first one that way. Select our first button and go to Prototype mode and pull this arrow to our second button. Instead of on click, we choose hovering. Our button is ready. Let's take a look at it. Go to the Assets tab and drag our button. I'll stretch the button a bit for clarity and change the background color. Click on the button and see the result. Our button works perfectly. Now you know how to make button in. If this video lesson was useful, do not forget to put likes and subscribe to the channel. Good luck to you.